Hi, I'd like to talk to you about asbestos demolition surveys. Here at Acorn we undertake quite a lot of these in numerous buildings all throughout the UK. One of the problems with this type of survey is you need to identify all of the asbestos containing materials at the site. So it is a fully destructive and intrusive survey. This means that the building has to have a lot of damage undertaken. Boxings are opened up, floor voids, wall voids, ceiling voids. All the hidden areas of the building are basically opened up to identify if there's any asbestos containing materials present. This type of survey, if you need any advice with or guidance, please contact us at Acorn. Thank you.